All right, day 3, we are going to be doing the Mud Hut Missions Bank. This is for junior primary and pre-primaries. The main goal is we're now in Africa, where many people live there in different types of homes, rural to very much high rises, but many of them live in the mud huts, which is basically made out of, we got clay bricks and thatched roofs. So that's the main craft that we're going to be working on today. So to get us started, we are going to be taking a long strip of brown paper and we'll be crumpling that up to make it look more like the mud and stuff around the edges of the mud hut there. So just kind of crinkle it up, and then you're going to carefully reopen it back up and flatten it out a little bit. All right. Now it has this nice little crinkles on there for you. And then you're going to apply glue stick liberally to the strip of the brown paper. That way there's plenty to go all the way around the deli container. And then just attach it to the outside. And since you have the pre-cut hole on the deli container, you're going to want to use some scissors to be able to kind of push through the paper again, so that way you have the little slot available again to put your coins in. Once you do that on the inside, if you have excess, you can fold that down inside of there and just kind of glue stick it down just to hold so it doesn't kind of flap back up on you. Perfect. All right, next you'll take the glue stick and the Bible verse, and you're going to place the Bible verse onto the side of the hut below the coin slot. So right after you open that hole back up, you're going to put the verse right below it. Like so. And then directly onto the other side, across from it, you'll use your black door, glue stick that right on there. And you have your base all done, like so. Then you'll put your container lid on. Make sure it's nice and sealed on tight. Oops, as long as your door doesn't fall off. Okay. Next you'll be using your cutout large brown circle there that has all the pattern of where you're supposed to put all the different options of glue and stuff on there. So you'll kind of curve that around to make the roof cone by overlapping the edges to the line on the pattern and taping the seam to secure it. Then it should fit directly right onto the lid, nice and snug. All right, next you'll be cutting out the thatch triangles, which you already have cut out for you. You're going to take the first 4. You're going to apply a generous amount of craft glue, not glue stick, but the craft glue, onto the top part of the cone. Then you'll take each one of those first 4 thatched triangles and press them onto the glue directly, evenly across, like opposite of each other. There is a pattern on there as well to help you guide where to place them. You can adjust them as you go, since that tacky glue takes a little while. So there's your first 4 there. Then you'll take your next 4, and then those simply go right on the other opposite sides that are still kind of gaping with the glue. Once you have all 4 on there, just, you can adjust them how you need to, just to make sure that they're all on kind of evenly spaced. Just pressing down pretty good on the tops just so the glue will hold on all of the thatches. All right. And there's your little mud hut. Finished product there, and then it can be used for towards any type of missions bank that you'd like for the kids to save for.